What security risk is commonly associated with improperly configured pods? The options are: Option A, dynamic scaling of pods creates security gaps due to missing controls on new replicas. Option B, incorrect DNS settings in pods directly result in widespread data exfiltration. Option C, pod configurations can inherently override administrative pod security standards. Option D, pods can accidentally expose network ports, creating entry points for attackers. When looking at Kubernetes, the way we define and configure our pods is fundamental to the overall security posture of the cluster. Misconfigurations in the manifest files for these objects can lead to unintended consequences, ranging from resource management issues to potential vulnerabilities. It is important to understand which of these specific scenarios represents a typical security risk introduced during the deployment or management phase of pods. I believe the correct answer is option D. In Kubernetes, if a pod is configured to bind to host ports or has its container ports improperly exposed, those services become reachable from the network. This creates a significant security risk, as it provides an entry point for unauthorized actors to access the containerized application directly. Let's examine why the other choices are not the primary concern here. Option A is incorrect because horizontal autoscaling is designed to replicate existing validated templates. It does not introduce new security vulnerabilities on its own. Option B is incorrect because DNS resolution is managed at the cluster level by components like core DNS, not by individual pod settings. Finally, option C is incorrect because pod security standards are enforced through admission controllers at the namespace level. A simple configuration change within a pod cannot override these higher-level cluster security policies. As a tip, always perform automated security scans on your deployment manifests before applying them to your production environments.